revolutionary hair accessory. We'll see about that because I'm the queen of ponytails. I had to get this for myself and see if it lived up to the hype. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I have my signature curly ponytail on today. This is usually how I wear my hair at work because I hate hair on my face. I wear my hair in a ponytail or a bun most of the time. I'm super excited to try out my ponyo. I got this in the mail today. It's all over Facebook and Instagram, so I just decided, why not? What the heck? It's only 20 bucks. This ad says that it is a revolutionary hair accessory. We'll see about that because I'm the queen of ponytails. I had to get this for myself and see if it lived up to the hype and be approved by Sheila Lynn. So my ponyos came in this cute little bag here for traveling, I guess, and just storing it. So that's really cute. I'm digging that. So let's see what they look like. Ta-da! I did get the beige blonde, I guess. I'm a total rubber band girl. I always have been, just plain rubber bands. Nothing with metal on them. I don't want them pulling my hair because I don't really have a lot, okay? I don't. I have to curl it and tease it and make it look like I have a lot, but I really don't. So I need every hair on my head to stay put. Okay, so it says ponyo bends. It doesn't stretch, which is true. It does bend. Bend, bendy, bendy. Created by women for women, which is pretty cool because we all need to support each other more. Women helping women and lift each other up. I feel like all of us need to participate more in telling people how amazing they are. You guys don't hate. It's not cool to be a hater. It's not cute. Nobody likes it. So I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this as a guide. I'm gonna take my ponytail out. The two ponytail holders that I have that, ow. See you guys? I need all the hair I can get. It always falls out. So I'm actually gonna use the one that's not all bent. I'm gonna use this one that looks a little bit more flat. So what you do is, okay, see, I'm a bit confused because on here, the girl has the bumps on the outside. I'm guessing just that would make it look like a little bit cuter. But I would think that the bumps on the inside are what holds the hair. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. Stick your thumb and your first finger through the ponyo. Okay, and then feed your hair through, keeping it close to your head. Okay. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see this. Move the camera up for you guys. Okay. Okay, then you're gonna squash it flat. Okay. You know what? I kind of want to pull it forward. Let's see. Let's pull this forward a little bit. My ponytail at work was a little bit lower, but I want to try something higher today. Let's try something higher with this one. Okay. So again, we're going to do this. Keeping it close to the head. So I can tell you right now that the model has way thicker hair than I do. That's for show. Okay. Look like a granny. What happened to my glasses? Just kidding, guys. Okay. Alright, so then we're gonna squish it flat. This feels kind of awkward. So I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the kind of person who likes like saggy ponytails normally. I like things super, super tight. So I guess just squish it flat. Well, and then turn one side in. I feel, it feels a little bit more secure than I thought it would, but to be honest with you, it's kind of weird. I don't really like it. Let me take my glasses off. Maybe that'll help. Okay, let me try it again. Let me try to move it forward because let's see what might be the issue. Maybe I should have gotten like the dark brown so that this doesn't match with my hair so much. Maybe that's what's kind of throwing me off. I don't know. I kind of feel like if something's not broken, don't fix it, and a rubber band has kind of been around for a really long time, so this is going to be a difficult task for this ponyo to beat out a regular old rubber band. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna like move it forward myself. Okay, squish it flat. See, this is not working for me. No! Squish it flat, like, I guess like move the hair around. And then you're supposed to like do that. Oh gosh, man, I'm probably not doing that right. Oh. Okay. Definitely feel like super like genie in a bottle. Yeah, no, I'm not liking this. So maybe we could try it the other way around. Let's see. Okay. There's about 3 hairs that came out on that one. I don't like that at all. Okay. So excuse my ugly hair for a minute. That one was a thick one. I'm gonna give this thinner one a try. Let's see. So first finger and thumb. Just have to bend over for a minute. Pull forward. Obviously the thing about it is it's not as flexible as a rubber band. I think that's probably the biggest difference. Squish, squish, squish. And then maybe it's just not flat enough. I think it's just kind of okay. I mean, it's cute. It's not as tight as I would like. It's not like, it's not as tight as I'm used to. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your comments. It's like already falling out. There ain't no way that this can handle Sheila Lynn. In no way. It's already falling out. Alright, so I'm going to try my method so you guys can see what I like to do for a sexy high pony. You start out with one rubber band. Pull it nice and high. The higher the hair, the closer to God. Okay, just like that. this is the trick. I can already tell you this is way tighter, even with just one rubber band. So when I do, take that out. So what you can do is just go right on top of the other one. Yeah. Alright guys, so as far as I'm concerned, these are a no-go. These are not gonna work for me. I'll give them to somebody at work or a girlfriend who would like to try them. Maybe somebody doesn't like their ponytail or their bun is tight. As I do, I like mine really tight. Like instant facelift tight. I'm not saying that it won't work for you, it just is a no for me. I just feel like stacking 2 rubber bands is so much easier and it's a lot more cost effective. That's it guys, that's my review of this ponyo. Again, this is just my personal review. My hair is a lot different than other people's. Maybe if your hair is a little bit more textured, it would hold that ponyo a little bit better. My hair is super straight and really fine, so if you have curlier textured hair, this might be a better thing for you. I can tell by the model her hair is not naturally straight. Sorry, ponyo. I really was excited about this product. I've seen it everywhere. I was really intrigued by it and it just was a flop for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would, so you guys can see more content like this every week. Anything you guys want to see, let me know, drop it in the comments. Make sure you like this video, click on the bell for more content every week, and I can't wait to see you guys next time.